Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can generate free traffic on Facebook, and I'm gonna show you how you can optimize your profile channel that looks so nice, and I'm gonna show you step by step, so stick with me and let's switch to my regular voice and let's roll the intro.
Hello, I hope you intro make you laugh, and I'm now on facebook.com as I brought up, and I'm now gonna skip this part to create brand new account, and I'll be right back when I'm done with that. Okay, I just created a brand new account. I had some trouble because you have to pick the right name for your profile, but it's sometimes hard on Facebook because they don't want to they want to put your real name, but in this case I found this name, vitamin D importance, and yeah, and I'm gonna skip this part and I'm gonna show you how it looks, a good optimized profile, and I'm gonna explain you how we can generate free traffic. And with free traffic, with this I showed you in the previous video on Instagram, free traffic, how we can generate free traffic on Instagram, this IDPLR and this vitamin D deficient around, we made this profile around this product, and I'll be back. Now I just optimized profile and it looks like this, and I'm gonna explain you how you can do it as well. Okay, vitamin D, this profile picture, I use it the same profile picture on Instagram, and you can do it too, basically to be similar. And I did it in a previous video, the same profile picture like this. You just type it on Google like vitamin D or whatever your niche are you in, and Facebook cover, it's important to make it like this simple and to write it like this: check out free ebook in bio, you will get all information about vitamin D, for example, and just to send them to your bio. Like, okay, this is the bio, and in this bio just I copy pasted everything on my Instagram page, and just make sure to be as clean, just to send them on your ebook. And this is the ebook that I created on CPA lead in a previous video. So yeah, that's basically, and you can post like this, post every single day on be active. That's the main point. And now how you can generate traffic on Facebook. It's simple as that. Just find your niche, for example vitamin D, find groups they're correlated to you, and see, and just join all these groups, just as much as possible. Just click on them, join them, and some of them, I'm not gonna do this now, but some of them like this, you have to answer all this and just fill up all this, what they need, like all the information. They're gonna accept you once they see you're about this vitamin D or something. They're gonna accept you. And for example, this is public group, and now I can see. And now what you're going to do is not, of course you're not gonna spam you're not gonna spam your link, this one link, or link you got, like you're not gonna spam in here because they're gonna ban you. You're not gonna do that. What you're going to do is just of course like every single video, comment like good video, great video, like comment great video, or something like that. Just be active. And what you're going to do is go head over to Canva, and I already made something that looks Facebook post. I just, for example, I just came across an ebook that explained the importance of vitamin D and how a lack may be harmful to our health. Send me a message, and of course I'll send it to you for free. So something like that. And what you're going to do, you just post it here. Just do it download here. Just download it. For example, this how to on Canva. It's simple to make. Probably you heard about Canva. Just go to templates or background. They're already made. And they're already pre-made, the background templates, and they're really good to use. And what you're going to do is now drag it and just now click here and drag it and post. And now the admin on this, the admin is gonna or maybe now improve you right away, or is gonna no, just take time to approve your post to see if it's okay or not. And just find all these groups like I showed you, and just send these Facebook posts, interact with people, just say, do you know this ebook really helped me, I probably it would help you too, and it's really good book to read. Just, and they're gonna message you once they see that you're active, that you're interacting with them, that you're helping them, that you know that that really helped you, that ebook, and it's for free, of course. And just they're gonna send you a message once you're join all these groups, send send all these Facebook posts, or some and make some other posts, some facts on the internet. That's usually good to do some facts. And that's basically, there is no other formula for this Facebook free traffic. You just have to be consistent every single day to be on to be active. And that's it for this video, and I hope you save you some time. And that's basically the key, is to make your profile as proficient as you can. Try to help people, say this ebook or other offer that you're promoting really helps you, and it helped them to understand or some other problems. And just join all these groups, make on Canva some posts, some facts, or some other. They're gonna message you, and you message you, and you're gonna interact with them, send some messages like listen their story, and just send them once they're fully fully commitment to you, like to send them your free ebook. You're gonna send them, and they're gonna complete them offers like that. And yeah, that's and you're gonna earn some money, right? So that is for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you in the next video.